Well, hello, Jay, Pinscialai. Shut. Was an assert. Rucha, was a dual camera set up at my phone. I guess that's just going to fuam calculator. Hopefully, the sound is okay. My all breezing on. There's a breeze today, so hopefully the sound is okay. Anyway, my broom prime at ya. I guess the sunny, magical ship sunny. Yeah. Tá lá, tá sé meireamh, it's mild. Ach, tá breezing jazz, mar sé. Ní mai give a road at a video, no, I don't want to be too long, I might just do a shorter video today, well, some kind of fuime, the sound quality isn't great, but anyway, kind of arm kind. Agus, Tá sort tá sean sort na line tá seach ní clown sana sin, like it's very mild, but I'm not going to complain. Was it the hain? Do you know what? Was it the hain? Couldn't tá sort fad leis a saura agus gurring chai evening. So when you get warm weather like this, good weather like this, end of August into September, it current fad as a saura, it extends the summer, current fad as saura, agus gurrian cha agivre, it shortens the winter time, so gurrian cha agivre. Mashas, rod maashin, kinche man Irish a fuan, I was a fuat moran. There was a fuat moran and me no look, me and me faura when we have the big cold, when it's horrible and cold out. We'll have this memory comes a kind of sheer and I was could have Thompson Jeremy Lunason. It's a breaching it could have Thompson Jeremy Lunason. Remember when it's in the cold of December and January, etc. We'll be able to say, do you remember that time back in end of August into September, wasn't it lovely and mild and warm? So it'd be a nice memory. It's clean and jazz of son. That was sheer. The sunny tiger, a lirach, Masha Cathba. Pa. Aclith Magus sunny. The sunny and Scofanta. Scofanta is a word we use here on the islands. Scofanta means fit, very fit. That the sunny Scofanta. That's a hand Scofanta. Agus is aclicht magoa, and it's good exercise running after the ball, running near the ball. Tan taile gardo, the tide is rising. I think it's high tide. The breezing lodge is galore, and there's a strong enough breeze, so hopefully it's not doing too much interference with the sound quality. Hopefully it's not sounding with the sound, with the wind. I might just do another. It's about vlogs. This is a vlog. Is this what you call a vlog? Yes, bad vlog. Nisam kirta vlog. Chol ma kainter vlog le blianta. I've heard of the word term blog in relation to social media, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. I'm bad good into Shamar vlog. I don't know if this counts as a vlog or not. Anyway, Shama Kyling Croc. The Crocs Siggy Geiling Berg. She has Crocs, Lilo and Stitch. Lilo and Stitch Crocs. So it's Stephen a coach Crocs. She loves her Crocs. Kate coach, her sister, her aunt, my sister-in-law, got her Crocs, so she really loves them. I see this like it's broken for us. The Crocs come out. It's a Thompson of this, especially in summertime. Crocs, yeah, Macaulay. It's called Sunny. Not the Sunny as well. I guess it's a Carker. So hill road, Carker. That's a word. Does she try a Crocs? Does she get on Cracker or she wants to put the crack on her? But anyway. Kida Mara. Yeah, shut Carker Trotchach. Carker Trotchach. We're coming up to Paul Trotchach here. Paul Trotchach. Tra and chach. Horse, ach, on chach. So Paul on chach. Sorry, tra, chach. So tra. Tra, Macaulay. Tra. This is a tra, sandy, rocky beach. Doorlin. Tra, you can say tra. So Doorlin. So ach is the old word for horse. Ach. So you say tra on chach. But then it's after time it just says people just tra chach. So people think that it's beach house, tra chach, beach house, but it's not. Okay, fuck much it's next name or slán go forward.